What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I saw an article today talking about a thing that I've mentioned quite a bit, right? I've probably mentioned in like 5 different videos, and I've had comments telling me that it's never going to happen, that XRP is not even going to get back to a value of $1, and I'm kind of driving myself crazy, running in circles, and not telling the truth about XRP. The ETF for XRP is coming. We all know it's going to be here. It's just a matter of time. Really, the question is when. And with ETFs, that brings more stability, more traditionalists, more people that believe in it, especially with larger amounts of money in cryptocurrency in general. And when you talk about specifics, you're looking at Bitcoin that has an ETF, Ethereum that has an ETF, and XRP that has an ETF. So the ETF is huge, right? ETF may be the reason why it ends up pushing to $100 per coin. And I want to talk about the ETF in this video, my thoughts behind it, as well as the price prediction of where this could propel this to, with combining it with a lot of other things as well. So if you could, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out the links for Twitter, for Patreon down below. I also have a link at the top of the description for BTCC. If you guys are interested in leverage trading, this is a great platform to where you can leverage trade up to 500x leverage. I want you guys to truly understand what you are doing if you are going to leverage trade, because leverage trading can be very, very risky. So you can do demo trading within there. So if you go into BTCC, you can go and click on demo trading right here, and you could start, your demo trading journey just to get an understanding of how to trade in the market. And then you can jump into live trading if you want to. But as you sign up, you'll get a 10% deposit bonus using my link. Also up to $10,055 of extra bonuses per user, and also 40% lower trading fees. So feel free to check out my link down below at the top of the description if you're interested in this platform. Now, as for XRP, as for ETFs, ETFs will create stability, will create consistency. Why? Right? When people typically invest into ETFs, traditionalists that invest into ETFs, it is a one tactic type of thing. Buy and hold, buy and believe, for the long term, the long period of time, where you're looking to hold it for 10, 15, 20, 30 years, for the longest period of time, and continue to dollar cost average into it because you believe in whatever that ETF holds. Now with cryptocurrency, it's a little bit difficult because it now allows those traditionalists to invest into the crypto market without directly investing into it. It's an indirect way, indirect path to investing into crypto. And it's great for people that say, I don't believe in crypto, but you know what? I believe in what BlackRock is doing, and I'm going to invest into the BlackRock Bitcoin ETF or Ethereum ETF. Same thing goes for XRP. XRP is going to have many ETFs that are out there. It's going to be next on the list, and we're going to see this thing skyrocket and have the ability to move the needle up to 10, 20, 30, 50, $100 per coin. Now, XRP currently stands at a $2.26 price. I remember when people said this wouldn't even get back to $1. The fact that it's at $2, double what they said it couldn't get to, those people no longer are saying anything. But they also said that XRP would never get an ETF, that it's not only, not third on the list after Bitcoin and Ethereum, but it's not even 10th or even thought of right now. And then that kind of got pushed out of their brain when I posted a video talking about how it has been confirmed that you see applications, that you see the need, you see the trust that is out there, and there's so much or so many people that are for it. But what will it do for XRP? In the end, it will do quite a bit, right? Create that consistency and create the dollar cost average into it, create the level to where it does, flatten out a bit instead of just going up and coming right back down, right? We want to see the movement, and we want to see the build upon that movement. It's like you're adding Lego blocks rather than adding a Lego block and then taking another one away, right? You're adding onto that as time goes on. So currently, the market cap is at a 130-ish $billion market cap with $6.5 billion worth of volume. The total supply, 100 billion, well, technically 99.9, but then the circulating supply is 57.4 billion. In the last 7 days, it's down by 4%. The last month, it's slightly up, and the last year, it's up by about 300%. Now, if we go into this article, right, Ripple president suggests XRP ETF could follow Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs. Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs could be followed by an XRP ETF with a crypto-friendly Trump administration on the horizon. I think that's very true that you will see an XRP ETF. It's just the next one that is on the list. Now, I do think that what will be more beneficial is an all-encompassing ETF eventually, to where you have Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Solana, many others that are all included in there, and you have a percentage of certain things. Kind of like when you go into an ETF and it tells you have a certain sector in technology, a certain one in healthcare, industrials, whatever. That's kind of what we want to see for an ETF. But right now we're just going position by position, and then we'll see the all-encompassing eventually. Now, XRP ETF could be the next biggest thing for crypto in the US, which, again, I think is true. Ripple president Monica Long stated in a Bloomberg interview on Tuesday that an XRP exchange-traded fund may soon materialize as advantageous US crypto legislation could strongly benefit domestic companies. Long said, I think we will see more spot ETFs this year coming out of the US, and I think XRP is likely to be in line after Bitcoin and Ethereum. We think, especially with the administration change, the approvals of those filings will accelerate. Furthermore, Long shared that Ripple's new RLUSD stablecoin will be accessible on more exchanges, and the company anticipates it will play a significant role in its money and payment operations. So this is kind of like confirming, yes, we think XRP is going to be next. Now, it is still an opinion. It's not confirming it from all of the firms and experts. It's not confirming it from them, but it is confirming it in a way that you have insiders that are like, look, we believe that this is going to be the case where we have an XRP ETF. It will be a big thing. Now, Bitcoin's ETF had a major reaction. Ethereum's ETF did not have that major reaction that we really expected during that time. And XRP ETF probably will either launch or at least get a lot of the hype within the altcoin season, meaning that we have so much growth potential because the market's already growing. XRP gets another bit of great news, and then it ends up pushing it up to a way higher figure. This is something that can bring, again, I've said this plenty of times in this video, it brings traditionalists, it brings consistency, it brings what we know from the stock market into the crypto market, which creates that consistency that we all want, so that we can see that movement that just goes up rather than just skyrockets and then decreases down, and skyrockets and decreases down. We want to see higher lows and higher highs, but definitely a tighter dispersion rather than the large peaks and valleys that we end up seeing with these positions. So this kind of confirms that XRP getting a ETF coming very, very soon. Definitely going to be the next one in line as we look at cryptocurrency overall. XRP is the third largest cryptocurrency at $130 billion worth of a market cap. So I'm excited for it. Let me know what you think about it. Do you think that this is going to come? And if it does, do you believe that it's going to be a benefit for XRP holders and investors and believers and community members and our governments, right? Do we see something better out of this? Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.